For sure. I can't say the name, but Animu said,
Hmm.
what about the stock market? Is that worth learning? Or is the stock market nothing compared to crypto?
I think that, and I don't just think, all assets will be tokenized. And what I mean by that is all assets will be represented digitally. Do I think that we should get away from owning actual physical goods? No. But I think if you're going to accumulate wealth, you accumulate it with cryptocurrency and then you diversify just like you would any area. Do I think stocks are worth learning? Stocks are going to get tokenized. So if you want to get ahead of the game, even in stocks, learning the technology, learning blockchain and distributed ledger technology, learning where they're going with the Internet of Value, Internet of Things, that's going to help you a little bit more because even stocks are going to be digital. They already are, but even more so. They're going to be tokenized.
For
They're
sure.
going
And
to be
what?
crypto.
Oh, there you go. Because I was about to ask you, like, to break it down real quick. What
Yeah, they're
does
going to
be
be
like? What
crypto
is?
too.
And that's what tokenizing is, right?
Yes.
Got you. So when you tokenize something, you you make it a crypto. You make it an NFT, a non-fungible token, which means you could use that as currency, low key. High
Yes.
key. I saw something. I forgot what his name was, but he was saying NFTs are going to be money. It's going to be a whole new world of monies. That's what we're entering, and that's what we're seeing now. I think that's why it's important, even with the timing of the Russia versus Ukraine thing and the sanctions. We're looking at
Yes.
Russia going, all right, we don't care about these sanctions. We're going to maneuver differently. We're positioning with gold. We have, cryptos. I think we're entering a new world. Like,
We are. It's a new world order.
I think
And
a lot
this
of
is
people are
what that
scared of
looks
that.
like.
A lot of people are scared of that word, that phrase.
Well, I was too, because I mean, when you think about it, it starts getting connected to some crazy stuff. Like, what do
For
you mean
sure.
by New World Order? But that's what's happening. We are watching the New World Order unfold. Like, we're watching it.